Here we got a 2009 Porsche Cayenne, and in this video I'll try to explain you how to get the door open when she's stuck closed and you cannot open it from either side.
The outside door handle, when it is pulled, it pulls on this cable here, and what this does is it moves this arm to release the mechanism in there. Now this particular arm is supposed to go all the way back down again to the seated position as it is now. What that does is it resets the unlocking mechanism, very similar to the sear on a gun. It resets so that it can actuate it again. Now if the arm doesn't go down all the way, it doesn't reset. So if it doesn't reset, you can pull the outside handle all you want, or you can pull the inside handle through with the cable, which moves this mechanism here, all you want. The door's not going to open. Very, very frustrating.
Okay, from that video we've seen how the door mechanism works, and now we have a clear idea what to do inside. Just pry out outside trim and get a clear view of what's going on inside there. Definitely we have a stretched cable, but in my case that wasn't the thing that affected the door from being open inside or outside. All I had to do in my case, guys, was spray it with WD-40 and then work the mechanism back and forth to get her open. So guys, with the window all the way down, put your prying tools in between the window and the outside door trim. Get this side all greased up, see if the cable's still attached to the door handle. And after you've done this, get on the other side. Put your prying tools now in between the window and the inside door panel. Do the same thing, grease it up, work it out, see what's going on inside there, and by this time my door was open. So guys, hope this is gonna help you. I've spent maybe half an hour working the mechanism out and greasing it up. Of course, the correct way would be ordering a new part and replacing it. I believe that door mechanism is like $500. If you don't mind spending on the old vehicle $500, go right ahead. If not, just grease it up and that should do another good run. Okay, so after you pop the door open, make sure you grease this baby. She could be the reason the door getting jammed too. Okay, so thanks for watching and enjoy your day.